Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS colors. And right now, we'll be discussing about RGB colors. RGB color value represents red, green, and blue light sources. Once again, RGB color value represents red, green, and blue light sources. So, what does this mean? What this means is that in your computer, inside your computer engine, your panel, and all that, there is a place where the manufacturer place some lights like red, green, and blue light inside it for it to mix the red and green and the blue light sources and mix it together just to form a lot of colors for us. Part of the color is this black color you can see right here, because when you mix red, green, and blue light together, in some ways, if you are trying to decrease it, it can reflect, it can have black color, or you can have another colors. I will be exploring this for you guys so you can be able to understand. But always remember that RGB represents red, green, and blue light sources, like your LED, your light source. So that's what I can say about this for now. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time in our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next.